July 6th marks the opening of an exhibition in Jakarta celebrating the life and works of one of the most influential artists in the modern era, Vincent Van Gogh. He is known for his distinctive painting movement called Impressionism. In the exhibition called Van Gogh Alive Indonesia, not only can visitors see a myriad of Van Gogh's artworks, but they can also immerse themselves in a multi-sensory digital experience.
Konsep seperti ini sangat relevan karena kita di era digital, era teknologi, multisensori ini jadi penting. Nah, mungkin kalau melihat lukisan saja butuh pengalaman dan maturitas ya. Tapi begitu kita masuk ke dalam experience ini, saya yakin ini bisa ngena nih ke anak-anak sekolah, ke orang-orang muda lebih cepat. Jadi kita bisa lebih menghargai karya-karya seni ke depannya.
And today, until the 9th of October 2023, a digital rendition of Van Gogh's work that brings it to life is finally available for Indonesians to feel, absorb, and enjoy.
But perhaps to be able to truly appreciate what this exhibit is and everything inside, we first must truly understand the artist that inspired it all, Vincent Van Gogh.
Vincent Van Gogh, born on March 30th, 1853 in the Netherlands, led a life filled with passion and creativity, but overshadowed by hardship and tragedy. But even though his artistic career lasted merely a decade, his impact on the art world has been immeasurable. One of the reasons why Van Gogh's artworks are so notable is his unique style and technique. His bold use of colors and dynamic brushstrokes created a visual language that was entirely his own.
This is perhaps best exemplified by his masterpiece, Starry Night, with the swirls in the sky and the brightly lit stars conveying emotions of awe and wonder.
While in his earlier works, Van Gogh explored the struggles and hardships faced by everyday people, shedding light on the human condition. And it is perhaps these works that best represented the struggle that Van Gogh himself faced as an artist. His journey was not one filled with fame and success. In fact, during his life, he found very little success at all. Alongside this, he neglected his physical health, struggled with his mental health, and in his lifetime never found fame and died practically penniless. But perhaps it was his struggles that inspired him to create the works of art that he did, with each brushstroke evoking a wide range of emotions, from joy and serenity to excruciating pain and longing. Sadly, Van Gogh never saw his work become the critical and commercial success that it is now. He died at the age of 37 on July 29, 1890. But through his paintings, he lives on, with his works having laid the foundations for techniques in modern art.
It is his distinctive style, his ability to evoke emotions, and perhaps the tragic backstory behind his art is what makes them so timeless indeed. And so to be able to enjoy it here in this format with this type of atmosphere truly is something special. Satya Permesi and Oswald Nainggolan for See Today.